Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how future perfect continuous tense is in English. Future perfect continuous tense is used to express the ongoing action that will be completed in future before a certain time. The structure of the future perfect continuous tense is subject plus auxiliary, will plus auxiliary, have plus auxiliary, been plus the ing form of a verb. For example, in July, I will have been living here for 3 years. When I turn 25, I will have been playing guitar for 8 years. At 6 o'clock, I will have been waiting for an hour. If I focus, I will have been studying for 2 hours when you get here. It will have been raining for the last 2 days. For negative sentences in the future perfect continuous tense, we insert not between will and have. For example, I will not have been living here that long. She will not have been using the car for the last 2 days. We will not have been waiting all day long. He will not have been learning Spanish for 3 weeks. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and will. For example, when I come at 8 o'clock, will you have been practicing long? Will you have been waiting for more than 2 hours when her plane finally arrives? Will you have been working all day long on my research? What will Lucy have been doing for the last 3 days? We use the future perfect continuous to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. However, the duration stops at or before a reference point in the future. For example, Tomas will have been teaching at the university for more than 2 years by the time he leaves for Australia. Using the future perfect continuous before another action in the future is a good way to show cause and effect. For example, Jane's English will be perfect when she returns to Italy because she is going to have been studying English in the United States for over 4 years. Remember that non-action verbs like to be, to seem, or to know are not suited to the future perfect continuous tense. Instead, these verbs take the future perfect tense, which is formed with will plus have plus past participle. For example, instead of saying, on Sunday, I will have been knowing you for 2 days. You have to say, on Sunday, I will have known you for 2 days. Thank you for watching. Please comment me your feedback.